Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Format Painter in Google Docs on your phone. Well, there is no any built-in feature to use the Format Painter directly from your phone, but today I will show you a trick on how to use it alternatively in the phone app. So let's dive right in. First of all, find the Google Docs on your home screen. Now open it. Now choose one document that you want to add the Format Painter to and tap on it. Now to use the Format Painter alternatively, tap on the pencil icon right here. Keep on tapping one text and select the text that you want to change the format of, just like this. After choosing the text, tap on to the A underline button right here. Now here you can see you can change the style, font, size, text color of the text just like this. Now choose one format that you want to add, just like this. Now change the size of the text from here just like this. You can also change the color. Now choose one whichever you want to add, just like this. Now to add the same format to other text, simply do the same process again. Just like this. Add the same font, same size and same text color to other parts of your text, just like this. And like this, you have added the Format Painter to your document in Google Docs. And that's it. This is how you can use the Format Painter in Google Docs on your mobile phone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.